Do you know that?
20 interesting facts about time.
Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Do you know that?
It takes 50 minutes to soft boil and 2 hours to hard boil an ostrich egg.
Do you know that?
Dirty snow melts quicker than clean snow.
Do you know that?
Blonde beard grow faster than darker beards.
Do you know that?
The world's knowledge is growing so fast that 90% of what we will know in 50 years' time will be discovered in those 50 years.
Do you know that?
Most birds eat twice their body weight each day.
Do you know that?
The longest possible eclipse of the sun is 7.31 minutes.
Do you know that?
A hummingbird flaps its wings up to 90 times a second, 5400 times a minute.
Do you know that?
Recycling one glass jar saves enough energy to watch TV for 3 hours.
Do you know that?
Most dinosaurs lived to be more than 100 years old.
Do you know that?
An ostrich lifespan is 40 to 50 years.
Do you know that?
Wild cobras can live up to 20 years old.
Do you know that?
Female condors lays a single egg once every 2 years.
Do you know that?
Pandas spend 12 hours a day eating bamboo.
Do you know that?
The spikes of a newborn hedgehog begin to appear within 24 hours.
Do you know that?
Camels can drink 94 liters of water in less than 3 minutes.
Do you know that?
A bumblebee flaps its wings at 160 times a second.
Do you know that?
A queen bee can lay up to 3000 eggs in one day.
Do you know that?
Queen termites can live up to 50 years.
Do you know that?
On Mercury, a day is 2 years long.
Do you know that?
When polar bear cubs are born, they cannot see or hear for their first month.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, share the videos.
All the content used was searched from google.com. All the images used in the video are taken from pexels.com and unsplash.com. And big thanks to all whose image has been used in the making of video. And sorry, not able to use individual names on the video. Thanks once again.